Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess and I'm so excited to share a fun, festive, no-sew project with you. Today we're going to be making the Kringle pattern, which is a beginner-friendly holiday wreath, perfect for using up scraps of cork or faux leather. The Kringle seasonal wreath has been inspired by the heartwarming classic movie Miracle on 34th Street. A handmade wreath can make any space more inviting and cozy. Welcome family and friends with this wreath's traditional design. Make a seasonal wreath for the holidays, weddings, kids' rooms, and everyday decor. It makes the perfect gift to be cherished for generations. Be sure to purchase the pattern before taking this class. The pattern and your supplies can be purchased from our website or request them at your local quilt shop. Please remember to shop local whenever you can. So grab your supplies and let's jump right into the tutorial. First, start by gathering your supplies. You'll need a piece of main fabric for the leaves. We'll be leaving this entire project raw edge and there's no sewing. So some fabrics you could use are cork fabric, faux leather, craft tex, or any other fabric that doesn't fray. You'll need a piece of contrast fabric for the bow, which should be cork or faux leather, and a grapevine or straw wreath measuring 12 inches in diameter. You'll need 10 to 15 jingle bells for embellishment, measuring 1 inch in diameter, but really you could get any size you wanted and any embellishment you wanted, such as pearls, beads, rhinestones, buttons, or other trinkets. Also, you'll find a helpful list of notions in the pattern. Since this is a no-sew project, you'll need a hot glue gun and lots of hot glue sticks. Also very helpful are scissors and a removable pen or chalk. Start by cutting out all of your pieces according to the pattern. When cutting the leaves, I find it's easiest to cut one from your fabric, then use that piece as a template to trace and cut the following leaves. So first you'll take your main fabric and cut out the leaves. This project is great for using up scraps, and it could be fun to mix and match colors. Next, take your contrast fabric and cut out all the bow pieces. Let's start by assembling the bow. Apply glue to the wrong side of your top bow piece. Then, with wrong sides together, fold the left side edge of the bow top in half to the center and align the curved and straight edges. Then, with wrong sides together, fold the right side of the bow in half to the center, aligning the curved and straight edges. Apply more glue to the center if needed to hold it in place. Next, apply glue to the right side center of your bow bottom. With the seam side down, center the top over the bottom piece and press it down to glue it in place. Next, apply glue to the wrong side center of the bow middle piece. With right sides up, center the middle over the top and wrap the ends to the wrong side of the bow. Add some more glue to hold it in place. On the wrong side of each bow ribbon piece, mark the center according to the pattern, in from one short edge. Draw diagonal lines connecting the marks to the nearest corner. Then cut along each diagonal line to create tapered ends. Next, with right sides up, position each of the bow ribbon pieces under the bow in the center as desired, and the tapered ends should be towards the bottom. Add some glue to hold the bow ribbon pieces in place. Now we're ready to assemble the wreath. On your work table, arrange the leaves randomly in a circle to get an idea of how you want to place them. I recommend either gluing sets of 3 leaves together to help prepare for arrangement, or you can overlap them in a counterclockwise direction as you add them to your wreath. Apply glue to the wrong side lower half of a leaf and position it on your wreath in the desired area. Hold it in place while the glue dries.
Continue gluing leaves as desired until your wreath is full. You may not use all of the leaves, or you may need to cut a few extra depending on how they are spaced and the size of your wreath. I'm going to add a little more glue to my leaves so they are more molded around the wreath instead of sticking up so much, but it's up to you. Play around so that way you can get the desired look that you want and add the glue as needed. Next, apply glue to the wrong side center of the bow and position on the wreath in your desired area. So you can either put it on the bottom or the side, the top, whatever looks best to you, and simply hold it in place while the glue dries. Next, you'll apply glue to the wrong side center of each bell or your desired embellishment pieces and position on the wreath in your desired area and hold it in place while the glue dries. Finally, you can tie a ribbon to the wrong side of the wreath to hang it on a hook, or you can hang the wreath on a door hanger. This project is meant to be simple and fun and fast, and you can customize it however you would like to fit your home or to gift to family and friends.
I truly hope you enjoyed this fun, fast, easy project, and we would love to see your version of this pattern. If you enjoyed this mini pattern, join our monthly mini club for only $5 a month and receive a new mini pattern to your mailbox or inbox every month. These mini patterns are designed for all skill levels, and they are intended to be a quick sew project. Most patterns will include a free video tutorial on YouTube such as this one. Show off your completed project using hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Kringle Wreath on our Instagram and Facebook. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. We'll see you next time.